This fox can literally change its color. Meet the Arctic fox, one of the toughest animals living in the frozen Arctic. In the middle of winter, its fur turns bright white, blending perfectly with the snow. This white coat acts like natural camouflage, helping the fox hide from predators. It also lets the fox sneak up quietly on small animals like lemmings and birds. But when summer arrives and the snow melts, the Arctic fox changes again. Its fur becomes brown or gray, matching the rocks, soil, and tundra. This seasonal color change helps the fox stay hidden all year long. A real-life color changer. Comment fox if you didn't know this.